Between TikTok and YouTube, which platform should you concentrate on as a beginner in content creation? I will tell you the difference between TikTok and YouTube. Now, for TikTok, TikTok has a low barrier entry. What I mean by that is with TikTok, you can create a channel today and probably go viral tomorrow. It's that easy. You can just create a funny video, put some trending music on it, put some text on it, and it will go viral. If you're just starting and you're looking to grow your audience very, very, very fast, then TikTok is the one you should start with. Because when you grow your TikTok account, you can now, move some of those followers that you already have on TikTok to YouTube. But the truth is, TikTok does not pay Nigerians. You cannot monetize your TikTok accounts, with views and all. The only way you can earn from TikTok is by, going live, by receiving gifts, by, doing affiliate marketing. Okay, those are the ways you can earn from TikTok. But what I can say with TikTok is growth on TikTok is easier than Instagram, is easier than Facebook, it's easier than YouTube. You can start creating content today, and before you know, if you are very, very committed with creating content on TikTok, you're going to grow. If you dedicate your time and consistency to TikTok, you are going to grow. But the growth will not necessarily earn you money except you're going live. And for you to be able to go live on TikTok, you must reach 1,000 followers for you to be able to go live on TikTok. That means you go live, people can send you gifts, but that is not a sure way to earn, if you ask me, because sometimes nobody will even gift you. Before one person will gift you on TikTok, that means you must be controlling a lot of crowd. Okay, so but for a beginner, it's very difficult to earn on TikTok. See, I will not even come here and try to sweet talk you. Content creation is not easy. Okay, you don't expect that you start creating content today and tomorrow you start earning already. It does not work like that. Anybody that tells you that it works like that, the person is just lying to you. Okay, so content creation is hard. Have it at the back of your mind, but even though it's hard, it's doable because people are doing it. So TikTok, you can grow very fast on TikTok. That is good. And TikTok is shorts content based. What I mean by that is the highest duration of video you can make on TikTok is 10 minutes. Okay, you can do from 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, up until 10 minutes. It's just maximum of 10 minutes on TikTok. So the audience that are on TikTok, their attention span is very short. The audience on TikTok, they have very low attention span, which means they are always scrolling. Someone can come across your video today and not come across it again because there's so much content to be consumed on TikTok. So TikTok is like a fast-paced platform. There are a lot of content to be consumed, a lot of audience. They are looking for the next thing to watch. They are just scrolling endlessly. You will see people just scrolling endlessly on TikTok. So their attention span on TikTok is very, very short. That is for TikTok. Now let's talk about YouTube. YouTube is a long form based content platform, even though it's also short form content based, but YouTube started as a long form based, which means YouTube is more focused on building a community. Like you can start creating content on YouTube and You just see people that just love you for no reason. They will just love you, they will love what you do, and wherever you go, they will go. For every content you put out, they will watch. YouTube is community based. It's community based. Apart from the fact that the audience on YouTube they are warm audience. They're not cold audience. The audience on TikTok, they are cold. They don't have any connection with you. They don't even want to have any connection with you. They just want to see what you are doing and scroll to the next one. They don't care if they see you again or not. Okay, but on YouTube, right, the audience on YouTube, they are more warm. You know, if someone likes you on YouTube and you're doing something and they feel you can do better, they will, write it in the comments and say, oh, you're doing so great, but I think this and this and this needs some work. I think this and this. So the point I'm just trying to make is that YouTube is community based, unlike TikTok. Another thing I would like to say about YouTube is you can monetize your videos on YouTube as long as you are in a country where the monetization is applicable. But for you to be able to monetize your content on YouTube, you must reach the 1,000 subscriber mark and you must reach the 4,000 hours mark. Okay, once you're able to reach this threshold, then you can start earning on your videos. And if you're wondering how will you earn on your videos, it just means that advertisers will pay YouTube to run ads on your videos. So it's from that ad, the revenue that advertisers pay, that is where YouTube is going to pay you from. So there is something called CPN and RPM. CPM is the amount that the advertisers pay YouTube, and RPM is the amount that YouTube pays you, the creator. And one thing about YouTube is the fact that they are not just about the viewers, the consumers of the content on YouTube. Even though they care about their consumers, they care about people that watch their content, they also care about the creators. Okay, they're always coming up with tools to make you better as a content creator. So YouTube is more long form based. Like I said, YouTube is more educational based, even though there's still some people that create content on YouTube that are entertaining, informative, and all those things. But YouTube is more educational compared to TikTok, that is more of entertainment. So if you're now asking me which one is best for a new creator, now for a new creator that is looking to earn as a content creator, I would say focus your energy on YouTube. And the reason I say focus your energy on YouTube is because YouTube is more structured. The work you put in on YouTube, if you're consistent, you get results. And the results you're getting is moving you towards monetization, because as long as you're monetized, all the content you put out on YouTube would serve you. Okay, all the content you put out on YouTube will serve you. But if you're just looking for a platform to just grow your audience very fast, then I would say TikTok is the guy for you. But if you're looking for a platform that you can put in your work and expect results to come out of it in the long run, then YouTube is your best bet. Okay, I hope this answers any questions that you might have for the best platform to concentrate on, to channel your energy on. I hope this answers all your questions. But if you have any other questions in mind that you would like me to answer, kindly leave it in the comment section and I'll be there to answer all of your questions. Till I see you in my next video, my name is Gloria. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone that you know will benefit from this video. Okay, till I see you again, keep living your best life. God loves you. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.